Hi everyone, my name is Mega Janera from DHS the first year second sem. In this video, I will discuss about the global citizenship. What does it really mean to be a citizen of the world? In a time when we're all connected like never before, understanding global citizenship help us build a better future together. What is global citizenship? Global citizenship is the idea that our identity transcends borders. It means recognizing that we are all part of a global community and that we share responsibilities not only to our local society but to the world as a whole. A global citizen respects human rights, values diversity, promotes sustainability, and take actions on global issues like poverty, inequality, and climate change. Why is global citizenship important? In an increasingly connected world, challenges such as pandemics, climate change, and migration, and conflicts affect everyone. Being a global citizen encourages people to think critically and responsibly. It promotes peace, mutual respect, and cooperation across cultures. It also empowers individuals, especially young people, to make a difference locally and globally. Key qualities of a global citizen: understand global issues, respect cultural diversity, act with compassion and fairness, support social justice and sustainability, engages in community service or activism. These values help build a more inclusive and sustainable world. Examples of global citizens in action. There are many ways people show global citizenship, like a student joining climate protests like Fridays for Future, organization providing humanitarian aid, individual volunteering in international communities, people promoting fair trade or supporting refugees' rights. How can we practice global citizenship? Here are some simple steps we can take. Stay informed about global events. Learn about different cultures and perspectives. Support ethical products and companies. Volunteers or donate global causes. Reduce your carbon footprint. Speak out against injustice when you see it. How can we be global citizens? You might wonder, how can I make a difference? It starts with simple actions. Learn about other cultures and global issues. Reduce waste and support sustainable products. Stand up for human rights and volunteer. Use technology to connect, share ideas, and join global movements. Every small step matters. In conclusion, being a global citizen is more than a concept. It's a mindset and a way of life. It reminds us that although we come from different countries, we share one planet and one future. Let's take the initiative to act locally and think globally for a more just and united world. What's one step you will take today to be a global citizen?